Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we are drawing
Koki.
Koki, our new pet. So we have a little kitten, Izzy,
Yes. Yeah, I know that.
keeping you out of your sleep. Okay, here we go.
Yep.
Okay, Izzy. So Koki is a black and white little kitten,
Yes.
like Postman Pat's kitten.
Yes.
You know Postman Pat and his black and white cat?
No.
Okay, that's another guy we can draw actually. But anyway, we're gonna start in the center, in the middle. We're gonna draw the top of the kitten head. Just a line like that. Just a little arced line. Little, yep, there we go. Now, we're gonna draw some ears. We're gonna draw little kitten ears. So, just like that. Now, we want to come down and make a little face shape. A little pointed face. My drawing's looking a bit weird as well, like already. Okay. So now the fun part. He has a little triangular shaped nose, rounded triangle like that, like most kittens do. You got that?
Yes.
And then we have the little mouth coming down, just like that. And we can thicken that line there to show the shadow. You got that?
Yes.
Am I gonna curve it slightly so it looks like he's smiling? Okay, mine has a slight smile on his face. Okay, now we're going to draw two very big eyes. We're gonna exaggerate this. So, got a big eye there and a big eye there. And I'm gonna pull in like a little line here, and I'm gonna stop there, and I'm gonna carry it through till there. I'm gonna stop there because he has this little white spot that runs through, so I'm just gonna use color to show that. And I'm gonna take it from here again and just make a squiggly line and take it all there because he's got a weird face like that. Don't know if you agree. Do you think it's very weird like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so the inside of his ears, we're just gonna draw that, and I'm gonna make it little fluffy in here, like that, with a bit of fluff. Okay, so now big reflection and big round pupils. There we go. That's our little Koki. Ah, yours is looking cuter. Izzy, what you doing?
Nothing Koki.
Is Koki trying to hunt us down here? What's happening?
Koki in my lap. Yeah.
Okay. He's on your lap.
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope he don't bite me or
Yeah.
scratch me like every time.
Hope he doesn't bite or scratch like all the time. Okay, so we're going to draw a body just running down, right down to the arm. And I'm going to do the same on this side, right down till there. Okay, so now I'm going to add a fluffy little forearm shape and end up here with the feet and make it more fluffy and the jaggedy. Okay, and the side as well, fluffy and jaggedy. And I'm going to draw the other foot here. And again, you can add little jaggedy lines for the fluff. And back here, I'm going to draw his other foot from the back there. And it's just fluff. This side, I'm going to end off the fluff. Can't see the back. Add more fluff there. And now, down here, we're going to add lines to separate his toes. Got that?
Yep.
Okay, so from here I'm going to draw his collar. We're going to draw a little ring there.
Okay, green.
So we're gonna draw a little bell. It's a little bell. And this little name tag. Circular thing. So what else is Koki missing here?
Yin yang.
It's got a yin yang on there. You're gonna draw it? You're gonna fill it in?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna draw a simple one. It's just something like that with a circle there and a circle there. Correct?
Yes. Well,
Okay.
you like a
It's
kitty
actually
yin-yang.
two kittens hugging each other. I'm gonna add my fluffy tail.
I already did.
Okay. Oh, you
Do you know you? Well,
So
well,
your
you
tail's going at me.
it meant to be like a foot, but it looked pretty.
Can I make my smile bigger somehow? I guess I messed it up already. Okay, now easy.
What?
Whiskers.
Yes. Easy.
And he's got me now.
Deborah. Shout out to Kitty.
Okay, for the big reveal. And that's Koki.
Hello, Koki.
What's Koki doing?
Koki, can I grab you?
Okay, Koki's checking out his drawings and he's gonna jump down. He's gonna make his way down and he found his way down. Okay, easy. So,
At least he didn't scratch me.
we didn't scratch you. We're going to draw little whiskers coming out the side here. Just very quickly. About 4 there. And he's got this weird little ones coming out here. Just here by his eyes.
I'd have that.
Yep. Okay, easy. So, what else does he have? A distinct marking that he has is here by his elbow, as I like to call it. He has a little black mark there, like a spot. So I'm gonna fill that in. And you can kind of see some black markings on his backpack here. Am I right? What color is your tail? What color is your tail? Easy now. Koki.
Let me break the fourth wall and the back.
And Koki's tail is black. Okay, so now we've got time for color. Just need to fill in your middle line there. And his color is blue. Okay, easy. Let's
wait,
go.
no, but I have one more thing.
One more thing. I was gonna make mine with color. His little white spot on his face. Okay, so the tiniest little black pencil we have. That's actually.
I didn't draw myself so much.
So this pencil actually goes all the way into the sharpener, and it's lost now. It's lost forever. How do we get it out of the sharpener?
Sharpen it more.
We can unscrew the sharpener and get our pencil back. Give me another one so I can shove it out this way. And that's the world's tiniest pencil. And I'm going to use that to color this guy in. Okay, why can't I fit this back nicely? Did I break him? I don't think I broke him. Okay, there. He's good to go. Okay. So now, I've got dust all over the place. So now, easy. Time for color. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our little Koki drawings. And as you can see, I wrote his name down. But Izzy,
Trash.
Izzy's got a scratch in the palm of his hand. Let's see. On the outside. Oh, there, you've got a little scratch there. You've got a little small mark. So we've all suffered some scratches on Koki. Yeah. But anyway, you're still a little kid. You're still a little baby.
Koki.
And he's still scratching Izzy as we speak.
Koki.
Get him up on here. And that's Koki. Check out your drawings, Koki.
Yes. Koki.
He's not interested in his drawings.
Koki.
What's happening?
Koki.
Okay, and that's Koki, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. And always remember to be good
Have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
And Chant and me and Koki fight a lot.